another stitch here. Like this. And I came out on the right spot on the other side already. So now we are gonna move to the eyes. They start in the center, above the center. So here are the whiskers. And now they move out over 3 stitches. Like this. And then they go in on the outside of the eye. Like this. Move over here. And make the second 1 to 3 stitches skipped. And go in somewhere here. Okay, it's a little bit lower, but that's okay. And now I'm gonna come out with the yarn somewhere. Now I take the yarn from the beginning, cut it, and now I'm gonna just hide the yarn ends like I showed you before. Make a knot. Push the knot in. Okay, Kitty is finished, and I think she looks like a Siam cat. So cute, so pretty. Here's her little tail. We can also take a yarn needle and spread the filling a little bit, because after we have sewed on, embroidered on things, the face is probably a little bit deformed, so feel free to push the stuffing into the cheeks so the head gets a nice shape, like this one. And now we are gonna make the final touches. Kitty is finished. As you can see, only the bow is missing. And then I'm gonna show you how to add the keychain. So for the Siam cat, I now call her a Siam cat. I picked this cool red. Sorry, ladies. And now I'm gonna make a chain of 25 stitches. You can feel free to check if this is the right number of chains for you. and check if it fits your cat. I found it to be perfect because it's not too loose and not too tight. There's a little bit tightness, but I feel like it's getting looser with time, and I really like it to be firm. So lay it around, make sure nothing is twisted, and then I like to go from the other side, from the first chain, and pull through this loop, make a slip stitch. And now, without cutting anything, we are going to continue with the bow. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 2, 3, and now make a half double crochet in the first chain of the 3 chains. So made 3 chains, and now make a half double inside the first one, like this, and I'm gonna make 2 more, half doubles, and now I chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. So now I'm gonna chain 2 and make 3 more half doubles into the same stitch. So all the half doubles, all the 6 half double crochets go into the same stitch. If you turn your work, this gets easier. If you rotate while you're doing this. So, and now I make 2 chains. Don't mean the wrapper. And slip stitch into the same stitch again. And then you are done already with this little bow. Now cut the yarn, but leave an end. Pull the yarn through, and now you're gonna wrap this piece of yarn around the center of the bow. Pull tight, wrap around 1. Did I wrap it? 2, 3, so 4 times is enough. Now take the other yarn and make a knot, pull it tight, and the knot is gonna be at the back of the collar, as you can see. I think I'm gonna make a triple knot just to be sure. And now just take your yarn ends, and I hide them in the back of the collar. So something like this. Now cut your yarn. Et voila! This looks so elegant. Wow. Wow, Mrs. Kitty. Or Mr. Kitty. Very elegant. What's with your ear? Here's a floppy ear. Well, nothing is perfect, right? Handmade doesn't have to be perfect. So now the last step, adding the keychain. So I recommend using some tongs, preferably with an end, something like this, not those for cutting, but I don't have another one. So you need 2 of them. And I'm gonna open this last ring. And I personally like to remove the last element of this chain. So the chain is a little bit shorter. And now you are gonna add this ring. Make sure you don't split the yarn. You want to go under this whole thing. And then we are adding the chain and close it. Perfect. And that's it. Keychain added in a nice length. And now you can take your kitty everywhere. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or comments, comment them under the video. And for the written pattern, you find this in the link down in the description box. And yes, thank you for watching.